Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find artboard tools in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file or Illustrator software. Here you will find this artboard tools icon. Click here and active artboards. Also you can press for your keyboard Shift plus O. Now select Windows option. Here you will find this artboard layer option. And select Windows option. Here you will find this artboard properties option. Now click on this artboard layer and press Ctrl and select this layer and see this. In this way you can select multiple artboards. You can move artboards. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.